Should I start on one?
Yes.
I don't want to get my hair. I feel like I have the highest pain tolerance in the world. I'm turning it up. Some of you may have seen my videos about my struggle with hair removal on my face specifically. I was looking at like at-home options for devices like laser and IPL. I found this brand called KetchBeauty online, and I reached out to them and they were kind enough to send me a device so that I could try it out and review it for you guys and let you know whether it works for me or not. They market specifically to trans women, and a lot of their ads and stuff and testimonials feature trans women, and I was like, come on, niching down for marketing purposes, I love that. So the device is running. It looks like this. It's pink, which I love, obviously. Guys, I've never seen anyone use it on camera. It doesn't hurt at all. It's just warm. You can smell burning hair.
Oh yeah, I can smell it from here. Yeah.
I definitely feel a little sensitive now, like similar to the feeling of a sunburn. I just want to say thank you to the folks over at KetchBeauty. I guess I'm just gonna keep using this consistently over time. Fingers crossed that this does something for me.